In this video, I'll show you how you can save files from Google Drive to a USB flash drive. So first, open up any web browser and head over to Google Drive. I'm at drive.google.com. Alternatively, if you're already signed into your Google account, go to Google and then you can go to the Google apps in the top right and then click on Drive and it will then take you there. Once you're in Google Drive, you may have a folder or specific files you want to download. You also may be given a link to a shared folder, which you can also download. I'm going to go to my drive though, and I have a folder here called files. Inside of this, there is some files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download this files folder. So we can right click on the folder, we can click download, and that will zip the files and download them. While they're downloading, we can now go ahead and insert a USB flash drive. So now I've plugged in my flash drive and my computer's recognized it. If it doesn't recognize it though, just open up your File Explorer. And then inside of File Explorer, go to this PC, and here you can see, here is my flash drive, which I can open. It's got some files in, but we'll go ahead and add the files from Google Drive to these files. So I'm going to open up the downloads folder. So I'm going to click on the download icon, and then we'll click show in folder. And this right here is the files here that we've just downloaded from Drive. They have been downloaded in a zip folder. Now what we can do is we can right click and copy this. And then we can head over to the USB, then we can paste in the files, and now we've got them on our USB. We may want to right click on the folder and extract all, and that will extract all of these files into a standard folder. We can then remove the zipped one. Here you go, we've now added our files to our USB flash drive. Make sure you eject the flash drive by going to the arrow in the bottom right clicking on your flash drive and then clicking eject.